What's up everyone, my name is Joey and in today's video we will be discussing DappRadar and the recent surge in price because it has been going absolutely ridiculously, guys. Like if you can see here, for the past 7 days we have been going up, like it's going up even now, but it's on plus 542%, guys. That is absolutely insane, especially if you consider that everything else is basically down or going sideways or consolidating a little bit, and DappRadar is outperforming everyone currently in the market, which is absolutely insane, guys. Now I want to go into why that is and why I think that is, because you're never certain of that, of course, so it's always a subjective perspective, I would say, but I'm happy with it. I've been in DappRadar for a while now. I believe in the project. I believe that DappRadar is just a really solid project, guys. Now let's go into what DappRadar actually is. DappRadar, you might seen it before if you watch my previous videos. I usually go through DappRadar like every single day, guys, to get awareness about new gaming projects and gaming crypto projects, to be precise. It's absolutely like very handy, very easy to use. Like for example, if we go to NFTs and we click on games and then go to the open full rankings, we can see a whole list of basically every available crypto game out there, guys, like existing ones. But if we press the new tab, we can also see the new dapps listed on DappRadar.com. And DappRadar.com is very important for game developers, especially if you're, creating your own blockchain game. Then DappRadar is a really good platform to first host your game on, because it creates a lot of awareness for your project, and you can already start raking in some revenue when you have this kind of awareness around your project. So very good, solid platform, guys. I've been using it for quite some time now. I believe almost 2 years, maybe even longer. Fortunate thing was they airdropped me some DappRadar tokens, like I don't know, like half a year ago, maybe back in March, or even a little bit earlier than that. So basically they sent me over free tokens, which was absolutely very nice of them to do. And that's what happens sometimes, right, guys? Sometimes you're using a certain services or platform on the blockchain, and whenever that project decides to launch their own token, they usually pair that up with a airdrop event, which is very nice, guys. For example, if you're using MetaMask like me and many others, let's say that MetaMask in the near future comes up with their own token, then most likely that goes paired with an airdrop, which is nice because it's basically free money. Well, you have to pay a little bit of gas fees, but usually that is, you can mitigate that against the value of the tokens you will receive. So that's very good, guys. DappRadar, absolutely phenomenal platform in my personal opinion. But let's look at the graph, guys. It's absolutely insane. It's been a very long time since I've seen this, guys, to be very frank with you all. Like, it has going up like a rocket. I don't want to use these terminologies, but it went to the moon this time. Why did I even say the moon? Forget about that. I hate using these words, guys. If we look at the price action, like, it has been going very still, like, for a very long time now. It's been going down and down and down and down. Let's look at the alt tab. Yeah, basically the same thing. Like here, yeah, basically from the start we have been going down, which somehow makes a little bit sense because, I think somewhere in March and in the middle, like these months where the airdrop event, so people will be, getting these free tokens, sell them, so that's why the price action is going down. Now we're also in some kind of a bear market or trembling market, I prefer to call it, and we're even down further. We have been going down so much, in my personal opinion, that it has been undervalued for quite some time now, and I think that's where the price action is coming from. Also, always when a project is going absolutely bonkers, so to speak, then more people will FOMO in and even search the price higher. I do not think that this is market manipulation, guys, because that doesn't really make any sense to do it at this phase, but it still could be, right? The other couple reasons for the price surge is I believe that single staking is coming out for DappRadar, which is cool, right? Another nice utility to have, an extra utility. It's not like the best important utility to have, but it's a very nice extra utility, I would say. And people are speculating that DappRadar might be listing on Coinbase.com. Now, if that is going to happen, then obviously that is huge for DappRadar. It's okay because people are also talking about, yeah, let's go to 10 cents or 20 cents. Now, let's be realistic here, guys. If we look at the fully diluted market cap of DappRadar.com, we are a little bit above 300 million, which is already like quite steep, guys, for the platform that it is. Like, it's a nice platform, but at the same time, yeah, it's not like the next Facebook for Amazon, in my personal opinion. It's a very solid platform. Like I've stated before, I've been using it for like a very long time now. I also have a pro account, and with a pro account, you're getting like additional alerts and information. So whenever a new NFT project is being launched on, let's say, Opensea, then you will see those like the first second it's being uploaded in their Discord channel. They have like bots installed, and it's just very handy, guys. You can also, monitor NFT sales between 50k and 100k, or even 1 million plus, and see the recent sales. Like for example, let's look at this one. New NFT sale detected. Bag, yeah, some type of bag sold for 1.1 million, guys. Absolutely crazy. But yeah, it's just a very nice, solid project. But still, we have to relativate a little bit. Like I stated again, a little bit above 300 million diluted market cap. For it to go to like 30 cents, it needs to be 3 billion. That goes, yeah, like that's a little bit far-fetched in my opinion, guys. I think a solid price range for DappRadar is between 5 and 10 cents maybe. Okay, 10 cents being absolute, like I'll be probably selling a little bit. Personally, still, I'm very bullish on the project, but I'm also a little bit realistic. A 3 billion market cap for DappRadar.com doesn't seem very logical in my personal opinion. Hey, but it's just my opinion, guys. It's currently at 3 cents, and it was like prior, like let's say 3 days ago, it was still at 0.004 cents. Like, I mean, it's absolutely crazy, guys. If you stepped in last week, you've had like a 9 times gain, which is absolutely insane with the market we are in currently, guys. So I just wanted to give you a quick heads up. I believe that, the price surge is because of the news coming up. Maybe we get listed on Coinbase, but if we do, then usually people are, selling a little bit again. This is just the news of it potentially going to list on Coinbase because a single staking mechanism implemented. I don't know why people would be so incredibly hyped up about that. So I don't know. I think it's a combination of things, guys. I think it has been undervalued for quite some time now, and it just gets the appreciation again that it deserves, in my personal opinion. What is going to happen from here? I don't know. Should you step in at this price point? I also am not fully confident if you should, guys. It's been up 500% for the last 7 days. It's a little bit, if you're gonna buy now, yeah, I don't know. You're gonna buy pretty high, right, guys? I think we will be seeing some sell action again, especially when it goes a little bit higher, because people want to take in some profits during these trembling times, guys, which the crypto market currently is. That's what I think. I think maybe we can go to 4 cents. That would be absolutely great. I'll probably sell a portion of my DappRadar position if it goes to 4 or even 5 cents, definitely, and then just take my profit, guys, because that is also important. Whenever you can take some profits, just do so. Like, don't be greedy and try to chase the absolute top, because then you get wrecked, guys. That's just usually how it goes. So yeah, DappRadar, absolutely solid project, guys. Let's see if there are some new gaming projects launched, because that's the main interest point that I'm interested in for myself. We have been reviewing Snappen yesterday. Absolute BS project in my personal opinion. I don't think you should invest into Snappen. Knights and Peasants, we've also been reviewing last week. Also, yeah, a shitty project. So there are a lot of shit projects listed on DappRadar.com, but sometimes, guys, there is a gem listed on DappRadar.com, and that's usually the case. Like for every 100 shit project you should not invest in, there's also one project that can be very beneficial for your capital, guys. One project might be Dummy Online. I mean, the Dummy price is not doing great at all. Like, it's been going down basically from the start, but Dummy Online is just I don't know, I'm passionate around that project, so maybe I'm a little bit biased to around Dummy Online. But Dummy Online, I found it through DappRadar.com and got absolutely in love with it, guys. There's some other upcoming games listed on DappRadar.com that I will be reviewing. Sinner's Playground, for example, Rise of the Elves. So yeah, reviews will definitely be coming, but yeah, DappRadar price absolutely phenomenal, guys. If you're holding some big bags like me of DappRadar coins, then congratulations to you as well, especially if you bought into the lower range right here, because it has been undervalued. Let's be honest, guys. Like, I always wondered why the price was only at 1 cent or even below 1 cent. It didn't make any sense. It's a solid project. It's been used every single day, has a lot of users, a lot of following. Like, look at this, guys, 350k followers. There's a lot of new dapps going live on DappRadar.com. It's just, yeah, a solid project, like I stated before, guys. But always do your own research. That's the most important aspect you should do, because remember, guys, be a leader in this space and do not be a sheep. Peace out.